Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making Timbits. You can also call it donut, but you can also call it puff puff. My friend, I was telling my friend this week that I made Timbits, and she said, "Oh, you make puff puff." So yeah, you can also call it puff puff because that's what we call the small balls donuts in Nigeria. We call them puff puff. So yeah, my friend said, "Yeah, you made puff puff," but this is different though. It's not the same content because we are not going to be needing yeast to make this. You don't need yeast at all. So that's what I'll be showing you today. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't also forget to click on the bell button so that you'll be the first to be notified when I drop new videos. And don't forget to tell me what you think about these videos that I'm creating. You know, I am new to this, so guys, let me know if I'm doing what you like to see. If you want to see something else, also let me know. I will be sure to create whatever content that you guys requested from me. I know somebody requested in the last video that I should make oil for how I made my oil for my hair, so I will be doing that maybe in my next video, but today we are cooking. So guys, let's go to the kitchen and make this three ingredients. You're going to be needing three ingredients to make this Timbits or puff puff or donut. Like I said, we don't need yeast at all. So I'll meet you guys in the kitchen. Hi guys. Okay, so yeah, this is the process. Here I'm trying to show you all the ingredients that we are going to need. So I'm just going to measure the flour right now. So we actually need 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of yogurt, plain yogurt, no flavor at all. And if you don't have yogurt, you can use milk, but don't use milk that is so sweet. And if you want it to be super sweet, you can also use sweet, but the best way is to use something that is less sweet to mix it. So plain yogurt will be good, or not maybe non-skimmed milk or something like that, so you can use that. Also, we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and because I am a Yoruba girl, I'm going to be adding a little bit of pepper. This is my first time actually using pepper, so yeah, we're going to try this together. And also right now I'm sifting it, so to prevent any lumps after we mix it, to make sure everything is smooth and well blended together after we add the yogurt. So now I'm just adding the yogurt to the flour. I actually forgot to show you in the video how I added my baking powder. So you can either add the baking powder to the powder, the dry powder, or even in the wet after you've added the yogurt. So it doesn't really matter really. Like I said, there is no particular steps to how you mix this. The most important thing is to have the right consistency in while preparing it, while preparing the dough. So yeah, so just mixing it together. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have ever tried this before, if you've eaten this before. Yeah, I call it Timbits really because there is a particular coffee shop here in Canada that is called Tim Hortons. So Tim Hortons, their small mini donuts are called Timbits. So that's why we all call it Tim Hortons really. There is no particular reason, but it's a small mini donut, or small donuts, mini donuts, whatever that way you guys want to call, view it. So now I've added my pepper. Just yes, why not? We put pepper in everything. So I've added my pepper and I'm just mixing. Guys, you can see the consistency. That's what you need. It's okay if it looks really soft. That's okay. It's gonna be perfect when you fry it. This is the consistency we really want. We don't want it to be too hard. Don't put extra flour into it. Fry it like that. Now we are ready to fry, and I'm going to be using my hand because why not? It's the best tool we have. You can use an ice cream scoop or a tablespoon or whatever that you know you can use to scoop it, but I prefer to use my hand because it makes it faster for me. Yeah, so right now I'm just frying it. And when you want to fry, make sure your oil is well heated on a medium level. Don't overheat it though, because if you overheat it, it will start burning without cooking. So you want it to be well cooked. So we put the fire in medium. That way it's well cooked and come out perfectly the way we want it. See, it's already turning gold. When it's golden yellow, that's what we want. Then we know it's well cooked. I don't have a particular way to tell you to check when it's cooked. I just, the instinct in me tells me it's done. So now I'm just turning it to make sure the other side is cooked as well. It looks really good, guys, and tastes so good as well. I wish you guys were here to smell it when I was cooking it. But try it at home, guys, and let me know what you think. So this is after it has cooked both on both sides for about 7 to 8 minutes. Now we are ready to take it off the fire because it's ready and it's crunchy. Yeah, guys. So I'm putting it in a lined basket, a paper lined basket. To get rid of all the excess oil, which it doesn't, it do really have an excess oil, but I mean, I just love to do that when I'm frying anything. If you allow your oil to be heated properly, you won't have excess oil. But when it's not heated, that's when whatever you're frying will soak up the oil. So this came out really nice, crunchy and nice. So now we have to make the glaze. So what I use for the glaze is butter, powdered sugar, and milk, a condensed milk this time around. So you mix it together, whatever way you want to do it, and you pour it on top of the donut. If you want to do this good though, you have to make sure you pour it when your donut is still very hot. That way you can soak it up, and if there are any lumps in your glaze mixture, it will get melted by the because of the donut that is still hot. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing here to make sure it's well mixed together. All done. This is what it's gonna look like. And now it's time to add it on. So I'm gonna save some original because I love to eat it original. I don't like the glazed one, but my kids like the glazed one. You see how nice it looks inside, guys? Very nice and tastes good too. So my kids love the glazed one. I love to eat the original version. So yeah, just mixing it together. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video, please. I love you to share it. I don't mind you sharing it. Share this video. Tell me what you think about this video. Tell me what you would like me to create the next time, or what food you want me to cook. I'll let you know if I can cook it, because I'm not such a pro at cooking, but I know I dabble a lot and I know how to cook a lot of things. So let me know if there is anything you guys would love me to cook, and or what other video you would like me to create, any content you like me to create, let me know. And you can also follow me on all my other social media handles, which will come up very soon on the screen. I would love to have you on another platform as well. This is what the product looks at the end, guys. Thank you so much for today. Until next time, bye.